So today we're going to try and answer a question that I've had a few people ask me when they've purchased products and they're trying to restore and clean up especially a very original older interior of their car. The latest request was from a guy who's got a very original Aston Martin DB6 interior and he's trying to clean the stitching on his seats. So we've got a Ferrari 330 door panel here from a car that's going through the Coachtrimmers workshop. So I'm just going to use that to show you how I would go about cleaning old stitching. We're going to start with the gentlest approach, the leather cleaner. I'm going to start on this area down here that would normally be covered by the armrest. So if the brush happens to lift some of the threads or cause some damage, we can stop and go with an even more gentle approach. But hopefully this nice soft brush will be enough to get the job done. Let's have a go. So always try and work in small areas with the stitching. Just gently work that. This brush isn't causing any damage to these threads at all, which is great. I then use a damp cloth just to wipe over that area because it just lifts the dirt away. Normally, if we were cleaning leather, we'd just use the dry cloth, but we'll come to that a bit later on. So I'm happy this isn't causing any damage, so I'm going to continue to work along this stitch line. Spray some product in and just gently, I'm not applying too much pressure here, just a little bit. Small circles and a bit of back and forth, and then just wipe it as we go. Okay, so we've worked in this small area here and it seems to be doing quite a good job. There's a little bit more, so we'll go over that again with the leather cleaner one more time and see if we can get those last few bits out. So the second pass appears to have got the last of the ingrained dirt out from around the stitching on that bit. If that hadn't been successful, and I'll show you up here on a bit we haven't attacked yet, you could always go up to our spot cleaner, which is a more aggressive cleaner. So I'm just going to use a little bit of that up here just to show you that. Spot cleaner made light work of that area. It's a slightly more aggressive cleaner, so once that dries off, it will probably leave the leather looking a little bit dull. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go over the whole area that we've done as I'd be doing normally to clean the leather, and that will just give it a nice uniform finish, ready to apply some leather balm, and then the job will be complete. So there we go, we've focused on the stitching and then we've just given the overall panel a quick wipe down. There's a few little marks that we would have got out if this was going back into a car, but it's going to be retrimmed. The purpose of this was really just to show you how we would go about cleaning the stitching delicately on an old interior. We hope that you found this video useful. If you need any more information on the products or you'd like to order some, head over to the website and they're available to purchase there. If you've got any questions, drop them below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you and see you in the next one.